Ladies and gentlemen, sexy in love. Do the things you do, things you do. We're sexy in love. Do the things you do. Is the volume good? Girl, loving you was something that I've dreamed of. Depended on my feelings to meet you. You were sitting on the bench alone. Let me say what's up, no one's around. You was on your phone, I approached you with my swag walk. Yeah, I'm not all talk. Your eyes met my shoes, slowly looking up, our eyes connected through each other. My talk game was smooth, made you smile. I had to say hi, my name's Ethan. When I walked by, you gave my brain a high. Lucky me, you was sitting there independently. But I know me, I gotta shoot my shot. I can tell you ain't no thought from your posture. The other girl's getting jealous, you're stealing her beauty, acting like it costs her. You's a good girl, I can tell your daddy's there. Treated you with respect, growing up he even did your hair. I like to court, cut my hair short, look clean like a gentleman, polite but not afraid to offend them. Don't know what's inside your mind, I hope it's free, I hope it's you and I. Girl, you got me feeling good, heartbreak hurts, but so does shooting my shot. Glad I did, you is hot. Your mom loves my jokes, saying how charismatic I am. Truthfully, I am me. No need to be too nice, generosity is easy, not thinking twice. Cupid called me up, trying to hook me up. I don't need him, my smile got you feeling it. This love song's a hit. We're sexy in love.